Now let's unbox the product. In the box we get a user manual, a warranty card and the hairstyler. The styler comes in a combination of gold and black color, which makes it look very attractive. On the left side of the styler there is on and off switch, and just above the switch we get an indicator light which when plugged indicates a red light to show that the Vega styler is ready to function. Also you get an easy lock system, as when you use one of the styling method, the other you can lock the other two options. The styler comes with a 360-degree swivel cord, which means that the cord rotates the whole 360 degrees for hassle-free use and to prevent tangling issues. It also comes in a ceramic coated plates, as ceramic glides through the hair without pulling and tugging at it, reducing breakage and damage to the hair. It provides silky and smooth hair in one single go. The 3-ridge design also provides bends in the hair, which makes your hair look all the more beautiful. The 32 mm barrel helps in creating gorgeous curls in no time. The product comes with 220 to 240 volts of output. The product comes with a 2-year manufacturing warranty.
Now straighten, crimp or curl hair with Vega 3-in-1 Hairstyler. Ceramic coated plates minimize heat damage. Switch to different styles with one styling switch. 360-degree swivel cord rotates and prevents unnecessary tangles. To straighten your hair, open the straightener plates by pushing the styling switch to one end. Glide the styler through your hair. Close the straightener plates by pushing the styling switch one step back. For a textured look, open the crimper plates by pushing the styling switch to the other end. Press the crimper plates to create a textured look. Close the crimper plates by pushing the styling switch one step back. To curl your hair, push the styling switch to the middle and lock the styler. Open the clamp with your thumb. Wrap your hair from bottom to top. Poker straight, textured crimp or gorgeous curl.